Hey everyone, it's Kiki, and in this video I will be showing you some accessories that I got for my new 2021 iPad 9th generation. So I got a screen protector that is similar to the paperlike screen protector, but it is half its price, and also a simple plain case, and they are both from Amazon, so I will link it down below. Thank you so much for the support on my previous video of the unboxing of this iPad, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Firstly, we have the screen protector. So it is not from Paperlike, but it is very similar and half its price. I've never tried Paperlike, so I cannot give an accurate comparison, but I really like the screen protector. Firstly, the package included 2 screen protectors as well as 2 cleaning kits. The application process wasn't extremely easy, but I think that's just because I was not so good at it. But once I had it on, the screen protector actually felt really nice, and writing on it was actually really smooth, and it did indeed feel like paper. Next, I got a simple black plain case for the iPad. I wanted something that was plain and not distracting that I can use for school. Overall, I like this quite a lot because it's thin, very portable, and its functions are also very nice. The only thing I mildly do not dislike about it is that the back of it is plastic, and instead of it being fully black, it's actually a little bit brown. But apart from that, I really like the case, and I think it was very affordable and good quality. I also got this from Amazon, so I'll link it down below if you're interested. At the time of recording this audio, I've used the screen protector for over a month now, and it has worked really well for me, and there hasn't really been a problem with it. I think that this is a great option if you are thinking about getting Paperlike, because I think this does the job really well, and it is also much more affordable than Paperlike at half its price. I bought this off Amazon, so I will link it down below and you can try it out if you want to. Here is some ASMR. Thank you again for the support in my previous video, and I will definitely be posting more about the iPad, especially after I use some note-taking apps. I hope you enjoyed this video. I post study, stationery, and productivity related videos, so if you want to see more content from me, consider subscribing and let me know down below anything you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye guys, happy studying!